Whether you need to keep the lighting and sound system going at the next mega concert, or you need to keep your home's lights and appliances going during the next megastorm, DIYsolar.com has got you covered. With the absolute lowest prices, the very best products, and unparalleled service.
Sunlight's endless, bills sky high. They've got the gear that makes you fly. DIYsolar.com's got the stash. Power for days while you keep that cash. No middleman, no retail spend, just solid tech, real value built in. Power to spare, they're always there. DIYsolar.com, beyond compare. Rack 'em high.
We use only the finest inverters, batteries, switchgear, and cables in our DIY battery backup systems. You'll never find one of those cheap, Chinese-made, high-frequency, transformerless inverters that everyone else is selling in our systems. And you'll never have to worry about our low-frequency, transformer-based inverters damaging your home's appliances like our competitors' transformerless inverters can.
From desert heat to the frosted pines, they've got the goods that fit your design. Wise hum, tomorrow's near. No blackout blues, no panic, no fear. They got the way, no looking back. DIYsolar.com's got your back. Power to spare, they're always there. DIYsolar.com, beyond compare. Rack 'em high, rack 'em wide. Energy on, let the sun provide. DIYsolar.com, beyond compare.